So this is a Outlaw Spa. I've got a Gecko pack with the element over to the side here. What I'm going to do first is, for this style, the heater element lead is right there. So I'm going to disconnect that. Make sure the power's off. So I'm going to disconnect these two leads right here, the white and the black, and then turn it back on. If it stays on, then it's this element. So if it's this style here, you can't just change the element out. It's the whole thing with the cord and everything all connected to it. So it's like that black box right there and that heat tube with the element right in it. You got to replace the whole thing. So we disconnected two leads, put it out of the way. Just make sure they're not going back on the board. Then we're going to turn it on. So we're going to turn it on here. It's on right now. So we gotta change out that element. So it's all, this whole heat tube right here has to be replaced. Here I got the new tube to put in. I'll switch that out.